Looking to level up your cooking game with one versatile kitchen tool that can go from stovetop to oven and even to the campfire? This edging casting 2-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven pot with skillet lid is designed to meet all your cooking needs, from frying and baking to roasting and grilling. With a 5-quart capacity, this cast iron set includes a Dutch oven and a skillet lid, both pre-seasoned to make your cooking experience as smooth as possible. Whether you're a home chef or a camping enthusiast, this set offers exceptional performance, durability, and style. Let's explore why this cookware is such a popular choice. Why choose cast iron? Health, flavor, and versatility. Cooking with cast iron offers a natural way to enhance flavor without the need for excess oil. The edging casting Dutch oven pot and skillet lid create a natural non-stick layer when seasoned regularly. Unlike non-stick cookware, cast iron becomes better over time as seasoning builds, improving the non-stick quality. Plus, cooking with cast iron can contribute to dietary iron intake, a health benefit many chefs appreciate. Key features that make edging casting cast iron Dutch oven a must-have. 1. 2-in-1 versatility. Dutch oven and skillet lid. Imagine the possibilities of having a Dutch oven that doubles as a skillet. The edging casting 2-in-1 set provides exactly that. The shallow lid transforms into a skillet for frying, sautéing, or searing. It's like getting 2 pieces of cookware in one, maximizing your kitchen space and offering endless cooking possibilities. The 2. Pre-seasoned and chemical-free. Seasoning cast iron with vegetable oil is critical, and edging casting has done it right. The 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned with natural vegetable oil, free from synthetic coatings or chemicals. This not only adds a non-stick layer, but also enhances flavor and provides a natural, safe cooking surface. 3. Easy handling with integrated loop handles. Both the Dutch oven and skillet lid come with loop handles, making it safe and easy to transport your delicious meals from the kitchen to the dining table or campfire. The integrated helper handles provide a secure grip even when wearing oven mitts, so you can avoid risk of accidental spills. 4. Versatile cooking styles. This Dutch oven can adapt to all cooking styles and recipes. It's excellent for preparing soups, stews, roasted vegetables, meats, breads, and even baked goods. From frying to baking, this pot is ideal for the home cook looking to diversify their culinary skills, or for outdoor cooks who need durable multifunctional cookware. 5. Excellent heat retention and distribution. Made of high-quality cast iron, this Dutch oven provides even heat distribution, perfect for maintaining consistent cooking temperatures. Whether you're frying up breakfast on a stovetop or slow-cooking stew over a campfire, cast iron ensures your food is cooked evenly every time. Cast iron's unique structure allows it to retain heat longer, ensuring your dishes stay warm while serving. To keep your Dutch oven performing at its best, follow these simple maintenance steps. Hand wash only. Avoid dishwashers to maintain seasoning. Clean with warm water and a scrub brush. Dry thoroughly. After washing, place it on a stovetop on medium heat to dry. This helps prevent rust. Re-season. Regularly, apply a thin layer of vegetable oil and heat to ensure a lasting non-stick surface. Wipe off any excess with a paper towel to avoid sticky residue. With minimal maintenance, your edging casting Dutch oven will continue to perform excellently for years, enhancing the flavor of your food with each use. Real-life benefits and applications. For the home chef, whether you're roasting a whole chicken, baking sourdough bread, or searing steaks, the edging casting Dutch oven offers exceptional performance in a home kitchen. It's large enough to handle family-sized recipes, yet compact enough to fit comfortably in most ovens. For the outdoor enthusiast, this cast iron set is perfect for camping trips. Its durability makes it ideal for direct flame and campfire cooking, allowing you to prepare anything from a hearty breakfast to a savory dinner right in the great outdoors. For the baker, cast iron is excellent for baking, especially for those who love making artisanal breads. The unique design of the Dutch oven allows you to use it as a dome cover, trapping steam to create a crispy, golden crust. Why customers love the edging casting 2-in-1 Dutch oven. Customers are raving about the versatility and quality of this cast iron set. The dual-function design makes it an excellent investment for anyone looking to simplify their cookware collection. With outstanding reviews praising its pre-seasoned, non-toxic surface and the even heat distribution of cast iron, it's clear this Dutch oven is a game changer. Conclusion: should you buy the Edging Casting 2-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven? If you're seeking a high-quality, versatile cast iron Dutch oven, the Edging Casting 2-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven pot with skillet lid is a top choice. Its multifunctionality, durability, and heat retention make it perfect for all kinds of cooking, from stovetop to oven, and even outdoor grilling. The natural pre-seasoning means it's ready to use right out of the box, with the convenience of a non-stick surface that only gets better with time. Whether you're frying, baking, or roasting, this Dutch oven has you covered. It's a must-have for home cooks who appreciate durability and professional performance, as well as for those who love camping and outdoor cooking. Add this timeless, reliable cast iron set to your kitchen arsenal and enjoy delicious, evenly cooked meals for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.